Hi, you are welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare this healthy and simple recipe for breakfast or dinner. We've got 1 cup of oatmeal and I've got half apple, half banana, and 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. And let me know where you're watching us from. Okay, just to know where you are watching us from, and I went ahead to add some chia seed and I added sugar-free milk. And the milk I'll be adding it gradually, okay, because I don't want to over add the milk and I don't want this to be thick because I want to enjoy it to the fullest. All right, so don't forget to subscribe and follow us. And thanks to all our new followers, our new subscribers, I went ahead to add more of the sugar-free milk and I added moringa powder. Oh my god. This is the most healthy and delicious breakfast you can get anywhere. Try this recipe and let me know in the comment section and let me know what you think about this when you do, okay? And I give it a mix. You guys can see this is a whole balanced breakfast. Actually, I take this as breakfast or as dinner. Okay, let me know what you take it for. I do take it for breakfast or dinner. Okay, and thank you for all your support. Thank you for sharing our videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for following us. I've got so many stuffs on this channel. Check them out, our previous videos. Okay, you can see it's quite thick, and I added some more sugar-free milk to loosen it up, and I give it a stir. And right now it's all done and ready to be served. Go ahead and try this recipe, guys. I'm telling you, this is loaded. The yogurt, the oatmeal is packed with fiber. It's packed with lots of fiber that you enjoy. And I went ahead to decorate it with some cashew nuts and enjoy.